As I said, most of the countries today are trying to prove that they are a democratic nation. But are they really a democratic nation? What are the features which make a nation a true democratic nation? So, if we have to analyze that, first of all, we must understand that who are the rulers of the country. Are they the people? Who are the true representatives of the people? Have they been elected unbiased? Have they not used any unfair means? Do they actually want the welfare of the people? Do they have a humanitarian touch? These are the various factors which actually categorize the ruler of a country. The next feature is the elections of a country. It could be that a country holds election, but the means adopted are unfair, or there is only one party which is actually said to be the true party, and you have to vote in that particular party only, which means again not truly democratic. The next feature is the people. Are the people capable enough to vote the right person? Are the people getting the right to vote? That is to say, is there no discrimination between the people about getting the universal adult franchise? All men, women, irrespective of caste, color and creed, are they voting? Is it that everybody has just one vote, or there are people who have more than one vote? So, these factors essentially make or do not make democracy. The fourth feature is the form of government. Now, what do I mean by the form of government? By the form of government, I mean that when the power is actually in the hands of a person, then does he remain true to his voters? Does he actually look after the needs of the people? Is he the person who is going to be truly in favor of his country and countrymen?